All right, Kayak Mike here. Just caught the PB. Just caught my PB flathead for the year so far. Not close to my PB flathead, but PB flathead for the year. You'll see that here in a second. This will be the intro. Fishing hasn't been the greatest so far, but since I caught a big flathead, you know, well over 10 pounds, probably more closer to 15, we at least have a video guaranteed. So we're going to continue. We are dragging 2 poles, and we have 2 Kayak Mike rigs 2.0 out. They're suspended dragging hybrids, so you'll see which pole caught it here in a second. All right. I think that's a fish. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Oh, man. I thought I was... Holy... My French. I thought I was snagged for sure. Oh, my God. That was the classic monster blue hit. This was my hybrid bait, or my hybrid rig that I was rocking here. This was part suspended, part trolling next to the boat. Oh man, he feels heavier than the PB I just caught. He hit just like a flathead. That'd be awesome if I had a flathead. I was only going like 0.1, 0.2, which explains why it could be a flathead bite. And like the way he went away from me was a lot faster than 0.1, 0.2. Oh man, this is a hoss of a fish. Oh, he's not really fighting hard, he's just really heavy. I have a feeling once he gets up here at this light, he's gonna throw a fit. Oh man, come on baby. I just hope this camera is doing me justice. I'm so glad I got a suspended pole behind me completely out of the way, and I got 2 dragon rigs. Come on bud, I just want to take a look at you, make sure you are catfish. Come on. I'm just scared he's gonna, I'm scared the moment, he's so big, I'm just scared he's not really fighting. And I'm scared the moment he sees a light, he's going to, oh my God, he's going to throw a fit. All right. Take your time, Mike. Also, I'm in like 45 foot of water, and I'm only in a slot tournament this month, so as much as I want to land him, his health is more important. Slow playing him isn't a big deal at all. All right, he's on the bottom of the 2 hooks, whatever he is. There's Bubbles, I like that. This is a big fish. I just saw his mouth. This is a really big fish. Big old flathead, big old flathead, big old flathead. Oh, I don't want to mess this net up. I don't want to mess this net up. Second flathead of the year. First good flathead of the year. Yes! Oh my God. Just wait till you guys see how he's not foul hooked, he got lip hooked, and it pulled it all the way back to his forehead. Oh, thank God flathead skin are like leather, because if they weren't, this guy, oh, Yes. I still don't think I've caught a single flathead on live bait. I swear to God, all my flatheads have been on cut shad, and they've all been warm weather cut shad. And I got a completely good piece of bait still. So here's the rig we're rocking. The Kayak Mic Rig 2.0. We got the 4-ounce Sandy Drifter, first dropper knot bait, second dropper knot bait. These are by no means small baits, but they are also by no means monster baits either. All right, so this is an awesome flathead. The way my kayak's set up, I can't get a full length of him. He was just over 33 inches. I'm getting him submitted and turn him in as, see those marks? That first mark up on his face, my hook actually came back through and tore his face off a little bit. But that's a spawning mark back there. But yeah, beautiful flathead. Let's get him back, or her, I don't know. I know how to tell, it's just, I'm not gonna lift him upside down to check it out. Let's try and get a good release shot of the first flattie of the year. First real, we're gonna call this guy the first real flathead of the year. All right. Once you're ready, you just go. All right, he turned himself away, and he's gone. Oh, there we go. Oh, whoa, big hit. Oh, dragon bait. All right. All right, he's starting to not feel as big anymore, but literally pulling this up under Mark's butt. My buddy Mark's right behind me, right where this dragon bait was. Oh, maybe he's a little bigger than I initially thought. I thought maybe it was just the current. Now on these poles, I believe I have a big bait and a small bait. So if it's a big fish on the small bait also has a small hook. So we're gonna lower. I'm in whatchamacallit mode. He feels like he's got a lot of weight to him. I'm in cruise control mode, so it's keeping a constant speed. He's starting to come to the top though. Oh, please stay out of Mark. Please stay out of Mark's lines. You got two suspended, two dragging as well?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, he's coming up. He might pop up right next to your kayak. Is it a blue? Or can't you tell?
That's a decent blue, yeah.
Nice. Dude, so I'm only in the slot tournament this month. That flathead was 32 inches and 2/4. Our slot limit is 32 inches. It'd be funny if this one was also in that range. So what we're doing here, if I haven't explained it, we're at the bottom of the main channel ledge, dragging and suspend dragging baits. This is my second fish of the night. Feels good. Didn't realize I had this much line out, but I am fishing 40 feet, so not only do I got to get the first 40 feet in, I am dragging it behind me too, so I just hope he's hooked well, and if he's not hooked well, I hope he's wrapped up in the line so I can net him easy. All right, he's not bad, but the reason he's so he feels so heavy is we're going against the current and he's wrapped up in the line, so I'm pulling him up sideways. Probably a better view to watch the actual fight. And after this, I'm taking a big swig of Gatorade and water because I've essentially only drank coffee all day. This is, oh, don't go for a search here. Very quality blue. I'm having trouble getting them in this last 6 inches. Get in that net. Oh, yeah. There we go. This is a really good blue. Whew, never mind. He actually is a very, very, very good blue. I thought I was just pulling him up backwards and he was feeling a little bigger than he was. This is awesome. This fish is great. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Let's see, he hit the, I think he hit the skipjack head. Oh, check that out. He got unhooked as he came in the boat. Oh, that's crazy. I don't know if he hit the skipjack head or the smaller shad piece because they're so close right now, but oh man. Oh, ow, oh, you son of a. All right. Never fails. Oh no! Well, the one nice thing is that fish would not have counted for the national tournament I'm in. The bad thing is that was a very solid 35 plus inch fish. And the regional tournament is 2 over 25 inches and 3 under 25 inches. I historically don't catch a lot of fish over 35 inches, but I do historically catch a lot of fish right up to that 25 inch mark. So, that wasn't a, I'm such an idiot. That was not a failure on the grips. That was, I'm such an idiot. Every now and then you'll get someone who makes a comment in a video telling you what you should be doing, what you should always be doing. We all make mistakes. I was being impatient, and when I grabbed the grips, I grabbed them right here. That's how you release the fish. So when I grabbed the grips like this and I lifted up, it pulled down. So, that's a bummer. Son of a... Oh, you're right here next to me.